Hello, this is Mrs. Kelly, and this video is a parent's guide to Google Classroom. In this video, I will be giving an overview of Google Classroom, showing you how to access it, as well as showing you how to navigate it from both a teacher and student view. So let's get started. There are two ways to get into Google Classroom. To bypass the Google Apps menu, simply type in classroom.google.com and log in with your child's Quincy Public Schools Google account, and this will take them directly to their classroom landing page. Today, I'll be showing you an overview of the Google Apps menu as well. So I will be first logging into Google. So you can open Chrome or you can use any browser such as Safari or Firefox and then go to google.com. And in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see that blue sign in button. So we click and sign in with your child's Quincy Public Schools email account. This is an 8-digit number starting with 010, and you will also need to type the domain at quincypublicschools.com. You can then type in their password and look for their initial in the upper right-hand corner to make sure it is logged into the student account. And next to their initial, you will see the Google Apps icon, or the waffle as some students refer to it. We can click on it to see a drop down of apps commonly used by your student. So here we see the classroom icon, which is a chalkboard, and this will take you to your students' classrooms. Other commonly used apps are Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, which are the equivalent of Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. All of these apps are saved automatically in your child's Google Drive, which is a cloud-based storage. You can think of it as a digital binder where all of the work that your students do in these apps, such as Docs, Sheets, and Slides, are saved. Google Meet is a Google-based video conferencing that your students may have been using, and those are the apps that are frequently used by elementary students. So let's go ahead and click on the classroom icon. And this will take us to a page displaying all of the classes that your student has joined. For lower elementary grades, you may only see one class. Upper elementary may have more for various subjects or teachers that they see during the school day. To join a class, we can click this plus sign and join a class using the unique code provided by your student's teacher. So let's see what it looks like inside a Google Classroom. On the main page of the classroom, you'll find tabs at the top of the screen that will help you navigate between the stream, classwork, people, and grades tabs. When you initially open the classroom, you'll be on the stream tab. The second tab is the classwork tab and contains assignments, questions, and resources for students to complete. And the People tab contains the school email addresses of the students in the class as well as teachers. However, at the elementary level, students do not have access to the email portion of their Google accounts, so you would not be able to email any students. So let's take a look at the stream. The stream is where all the information posted by teachers and students is organized in chronological order, similar to a Facebook or Twitter feed. Announcements are posted in the stream and contain a white header. So this would be an example right here of an announcement. Good morning, everyone. Tell me something you are excited for today. And students would be able to comment right here in the stream. In order to complete assignments, students would need to click on the classwork tab. This is where you'll find all of your students' assignments. Teachers may also post links and other resources needed to complete assignments. In addition, teachers may post questions for students to answer in this tab. You'll notice different icons next to work here. The clipboard icon indicates that this is an assignment for students to complete, and I'll talk more about assignments in a moment. The next icon is a box with a question mark. This is a question posted by the teacher, and it may be in the form of a multiple choice question or a short answer question. And the last icon looks like a bookmark. This is material, such as a link to a Student Go Math book, a Journeys book, login information for Lexia or Think Central, or just websites that teachers may find helpful to complete assignments. I'm going to switch over to a student view to talk about what assignments will look like at home. So I am now in the classwork tab as a student, and when we open an assignment, we'll have an overview right here. We can click View Assignment to see it in its entirety. And what you'll notice is the directions will be on the left-hand side and the student material will be on the right. If your teacher has already made a copy for each student, which is the paperless way of passing out a worksheet to a student, you will see it on the right-hand side with your student's name already on the copy. So when a student clicks on this, it will take them to a Google Doc, slide, form, or other task that must be completed electronically. And these copies of the doc, slides, sheets, and forms are automatically saved in your student's Google Drive. If a teacher has posted an assignment, such as a question or follow up to a video that was watched, and your teacher indicates that it can be answered on a separate piece of paper, you can click the plus sign to create your own Google Doc or slide to complete this digitally. The teacher will receive the digital copy and it will automatically be saved in your student's Google Drive. Once a student has completed the work, they can click Turn In, alerting the teacher they are done. Once this is selected, the student will no longer be able to make changes. However, you can click Unsubmit to receive it back. We can think of this as a student passing in an assignment to the pass-in bin on a teacher's desk and then having to ask for it back if they need to make a change to it. There's also a spot here for a private message where a student can private message the teacher with questions that they may have, and the teacher can respond. Directions and any other materials for the assignment would be on the left-hand side, so you may see links here or other resources for the students to use to complete the assignment. So this concludes the tutorial of how to use Google Classroom at the elementary level. Thank you for watching.